Presenting Best Technology's automated Citric passivation system for high-volume production, featuring a rail-mounted gantry crane. This automated Citric passivation system combines cleaning, rinsing, passivation, blow-off, and material handling into one controlled process. It includes a 10-inch color touchscreen custom PLC that allows operators to select recipes and dwell times, monitor and control the temperature of each tank, and view the status of the complete process line. The system uses a rail-mounted gantry crane to lift and move the baskets throughout each stage of the process. This is a 5-tank system that begins in tank number 1 with alkaline cleaning. The parts then move to tank number 2 for a cold deionized water rinse. After that, tank number 3 is the Citric passivation stage, an insulated tank including heater and pH meter. Tank number 4 provides a hot deionized water rinse. And finally, the parts arrive at tank number 5, the air knife blow-off tank. This system features rolling mounts for loading and unloading at each end of the line. The gantry travels along fixed rails mounted directly to the tank line, allowing it to move each basket from one tank to the next with controlled, repeatable positioning. The external air knife regenerator blower features a 5-micron filter, with air recirculating between the tank and the blower. This Citric passivation system will run on a chosen recipe from start to finish. It can then process multiple baskets after the first basket passes tank number 1. Once a process recipe is selected, the system follows the programmed sequence, including the required tank locations and process times. As one basket moves forward through the system, another basket can begin the process, allowing multiple loads to be processed at the same time. The integrated rail-mounted design provides a stable structure for heavy loads or high part volumes while reducing the need for manual lifting and movement between tanks. This system can operate automatically or be switched to manual control when operator adjustments are needed. And that's the Best Technology rail-mounted gantry automated Citric passivation system for high-volume production.